Hi guys, welcome to my 4.1.4 Shorthand assignment operators. It is part of the operators in C++, and I will teach you today how to use this addition assignment, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus assignment. They are so important when you write your codes in short way. I mean your operators. You don't need to write their more time codes. It will help you to fix it, okay? The another things is we will talk about bitwise operators, which is we can use our shorthand assignment with them too, but we will talk about it into the 4.1.7 lesson. If you be there, you can learn more about it. Let's get started. Firstly, let's write your codes to just open your hello world stage. I mean, in this case, it will be different, but yeah, let's create it. We can say, as you know, include a string. After that, we can say include if you need to write there some string, yeah, maybe text. We can say using namespace std like that, which is we importing our standard library from there, right, to use it. Okay, let's go a little bit up to see our things. Now we need to call our operating system. We can say integer main, and we can just come down to open, like we just already tell the like operating system, hello, like let's get started for the coding part. Okay, I want to give you my examples for about x. X will be our value in here, which is variable to just explain the things in here, okay? You can say integer x is 10 in this case. All right. So now I want to start first with the addition part. What it means we using this shorthand operator for the addition part. Normally, if we want to calculate something, we're just doing things like integer x plus 5, for example, right? That's the way like how we can assign some value, like new value to the x, and x will be changeable in this case, right? Now x is 10. After you wrote this code, the x will be 15, right? This x now is 15, not 10 anymore. Okay, so I can write that code in different way. For example, like what? Like that. I can say x plus equals 5. That's all. They are just doing same job, okay? Nothing changed in here. They're just doing same job. Okay, let me prove you that. So let's close this one. I will close that one. Okay, it's just here. And I want to run this code in some way. Let's say code and say x is now now equals to, we can just say x, right? We can say handle, and we can just close that. Maybe we can say x was 10, but now x x equals to x, which is we put already our variable there, because as we know, it's changed in here, right? Do we need to use integer before that? Do you think that like that? Let's try before make it. Let's see what will happen in this case if you run this code like that. X was 10, as you see here. Can you see that? X was 10, but now x is equals to 15. As you see, we made our new operation with assignment operators. You can do it, by the way, like that too, to make it comprehensive. but this one is the same like that one in here. Nothing changed there, okay? To close that, we already know our x is active with the integer above. If you run that again, what will happen? Does not name a type x. All right, it means just we need to put there some integer. What do you think? Run that. What it's saying? X is equals 10. Yeah. Okay, we changed that. Now x is changed. So what it's saying in here, let's close that and see the picture. When you run that, it's just saying integer x is equals 10. And the problem or issues in here, if you check it, it's saying integer x is previously declared in where, in here, right? That one. So if we do it like that in this case, and if you run it again, you will see the result. Let's do that. X was 10. Yeah, as you can see here, x was 10, but now x is equals to 15. So let's close that one, open that again, run that. I got, just run it again. Yes, x was 10, but now x equals to 15. So in this operation, nothing changing. I mean, just delete this one and add x here like that. The same operation we're doing that. Okay, just plus and equals, replacing their places. As we know, if you come back to the here, that will be same operation. Yeah, so we're just taking this 5 from this place and taking x from the other places. So that just they are equals to each other in the operation part. Okay, let's do same stuff after the other one. So sorry, now we can make multiplication. How we can do that? It was normally like that, x time what? In this case, let's say 2. Yeah, it is good. Now we will make it shorthand. How we can do that? We can just say, let's predict that x multiplication sign or time sign equals n 2, right? That's just like that. Now in this case, we can just say, maybe let's say x is changed because again, we can say x was 15, but now x is equals to some number. Let's see what it is now. What it's saying. Code before code. All right. Okay. Just put this comma there, semicolon. Sorry, I just mixed up with it. Yes, x was 15, but now x equals to 30. Because it was the 10, we changed it with the 5, like plus 5. Now x happened like 15, x was 15. And after that, we said 15 times 2, which is with this operation, like 15 times 2. It just happened at like 30. Let's continue with the division. As you know, we can apply same module for that, like operator. We can just say x equals x division operator, and we can, let's say we can divide it like 3. In this case it will be 10, right? We know that, but let's see again. Okay, let's come down. We can explain that like that. 3. As you see, we used our shorthand operators in here, and they are equals to that operation, x equals x division 3, that one. What helps us in here? So when we assign or when we prepare our like hence shorthand assignment operators, they're just helping us to didn't write a lot of codes. Okay, it is the way like how why we using that. Okay, let's try now what will happen. Result x was 30, but now x equals what? X is now 10, as we know, right? Run that and see what will happen. Okay, I know your problem. Run it again. Oh, okay, I just forgot semicolon again. X was 30, but now x equals 10, equals to 10 after this operation. Okay? Just don't forget this assignment operators, I mean shorthand assignment operators, because they're helping us to write our codes faster than the other one. I mean this one. We don't need to do it again and again. The last one is will be what? Let's say about subtraction. Let's say x equals x minus, I don't know, maybe 2. Yeah, maybe 2, right? Let's try it. Now we can say for that x, let's think about that. Minus equals, right? Not equals minus, minus equals. And after that, 2. Just that. Just minus coming the other side here. And we're putting one more x. And it's just changing the things. So now we can just say x was 10, but now x equals to 8, as we know. Let's put semicolon. I will not forget that now. Okay, in here, there we go. When you run that, it will say x was 10, but now x equals to 8. That's cool. We're using our shorthand assignment, right? Operators. And lastly, let's do same things for modulus. So modular operator is really cool when you work with the conditions. Let me prove you that. Let's say we want to say we want to check the remainder of the 8 division 2, let's say, or 3. I mean, 2 will be like 4 and there will be not remainder. For that we can say 3. We can just say x equals x, and after that we can use this one, 3. So it is same thing as we doing here, this thing. Sorry, that one. Like x division 3, it will be what? 2. 2 times, and we will have the remainder 2, right? It means, like let's say we have 8. After that, if we divide it, it will be 6. And there will be a remainder 2, right? That's the point. How we finding like the result. Now we can say x was 8. But now x equals to what? 2. Okay, put semicolon. I'm just working with Python a lot, so for that, just forgetting that, sorry. X was 8, but now x equals to 2, as you see. All right, I just want to tell you that, like, let's come down and here, no forget, you can put it like that, maybe do it like that. This one, as you see here. Where is that? Sorry, I did wrong. Okay, this one and this one. Division, shorthand assignment, and multiplication. Where is the multiplication sign? Yeah, that one. I think we did this before. Let's do minus. And we have lastly modulo, right? This one. Don't forget this shorthand assignments. They will help you to write and like less code and good efficiency, okay? All right, I hope you understand like what we did in this class. In another class, we'll talk about what? About amazing stuff. The another one will be about increment and decrement operators. They are also so helpful when you don't want to write a lot of codes like that, okay? So let's make practice on this class and learn how to use this technique like shorthand assignments, and see you in another class, increment and decrement operators. And note, you will learn also about bitwise operators, and in bitwise operator class I will also show you how to use this shorthand assignments with the bitwise operators. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you understand what we did in here. So I hope you enjoy it. See you in another class. Bye bye.